Hi guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so happy to have every single one of you here. Today is my third official Mask Monday, and as you can tell, I'm stepping up my game. Check it out. I don't know. These are panda ears. I got them at TJ Maxx. They're very special. And I also got a Shop Miss A haul that has like 3 or 4 more headbands in it that are really cute, and I can't wait to show you. So anyways, whatever. So as you can tell, today is Mask Monday, and I thought while I did my face mask this week, I thought I would show you guys some of the products that I used for the month of August and tell you what I thought about them. I haven't done a video like that before, but I feel like I've got enough stuff here that I could talk for 5 to 10 minutes, no problemo. Real quick before we get started though, guys, if you wouldn't mind giving this video a thumbs up, I would truly appreciate it. It really helps to communicate to YouTube that you guys are enjoying my content. It encourages them to promote our videos just a little bit more so we can continue to grow our YouTube family, guys, and get that much closer to our 800 subscriber giveaway. I've got a fantastic giveaway planned for you guys. There are only 10 subscribers short of this giveaway, so please, if you're not already subscribed, or if you know somebody who would enjoy my chaos, please consider hitting that subscribe button down in the corner. I would love the opportunity to get to know you guys better, and I would truly appreciate the support. So let's get started on this Mask Monday before I start chit-chatting and, it just, I don't even know. I don't know, but you know, right? The mask I have for this week is from the Dollar Tree. It is Bolero, and it is a paper facial mask. It's avocado and egg whites. It's designed to moisturize, firm, and nourish. And here's what it looks like. I've already got my face washed and dried. We're good to go there. It says apply mask to face, smooth, leave on 3 to 5 minutes, then gently wash from the face. Wipe off any residue with a damp cloth. So it says wash and then wipe off residue with a damp cloth. So do you wash it, or you're gonna have damp residue after you wipe it off with a wash rag? I don't know, whatever. Here's the mask. Not really much of a smell, which is fine. It's got a lot of serum on it though. Oh boy, does it have a lot. Look, can you see it dripping off? Hoo-wee. I forgot to bring my paper towels. It's alright, I'll use my legs. We'll be okay. Go ahead and open this up. It's like a very thick gel mask. Even though it's not gel, it feels like gel. I guess that would be the egg, right? Oh, come on, Jen. You gotta be smarter than the mask. You guys watch me struggle with this every week, don't you? That's who I am. The mask struggler. Ooh, it's cold, which is fine. Oh look, it was actually on the outside this time. Alright. Smooth it on the face. Oh, this fits really good. I'm impressed. Alright, go ahead and rub this on the back of my hands and on my neck. And then it does kind of get in my ears a little bit, so we'll hold that down. And then because Chaos Jen is stepping up her face mask game, I bought some of these silicone mask holders so I don't have to worry about my face mask coming off while I'm trying to talk to you guys. This one's awesome. I got these on Amazon. I think I got like 5 of them for $6.88. And they're all different colors. Alright. Oh, that's nice. Now, if I wanted to, I could sing you guys a really fancy song that requires a lot of fancy dance moves and my mask would stay on. But that's not what this Mask Monday is, right? Look at me. Wow. I look like a golden tin man. Huh. Sweet. I'm a golden panda. Okay, so let's get into what we use. Let me set a timer for 10 minutes. I am going to leave it on just a little bit longer than they suggested because I don't feel like 5 minutes is enough. So hopefully my face doesn't fall off. I will let you know if it does. So let's start with the lip mask that I used. This is the Suns Out Pouts Out Gold Foil Mask by SF. I don't know if that's the name of the company or not. SF Beauty? Is that what it's called, you think? I don't know. But anyways, I love this. I believe I got these in a subscription box. They make my lips nice and smooth and moisturized and plumped, and I like to do these in the morning before I go to work sometimes. So did like this one. I know I used an eye mask this month. My favorite ones were the Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. Love these. They're just 2 gold foil masks that you put underneath your eyes, and they reduce puffiness, they smooth out any fine lines you might have, and they just work fantastic. So far, they are my all-time, all-time favorite eye mask, but I don't have a lot of other ones to compare them to quite yet, so expect updates on that one. Face mask this month. You all saw the hyaluronic face mask catastrophe last week. It just kind of like melted off my face as I did my mask Monday, and yeah, so there was that. I mean, it wasn't awful. I love the way my skin felt afterwards, but it like disintegrated on my face. So we're going to be doing this one again to see if that was something I did or if that's just how the mask goes, because let me show you. I also did this charcoal bubble face mask, and I didn't have that problem. These are both made by the same company. I bought both of them from the Dollar Tree, and I love them. They smell great. My skin feels fantastic afterwards, but the blue one, or the hyaluronic acid one, just wouldn't stay on. So yeah, but I will definitely be buying both of those again. So good deal on that one. Next one was this Spa April Bath and Shower Foot Mask, Ultra Moisturizing, Nourishing, and Softening. These were $1 because we got them at the Dollar Tree. They were okay. My only complaint with these is they had liquid on the outside of them too. So they're booties that you put over your feet. They have the moisturizing stuff on the inside, and then I had to put my feet on towels to prevent it from getting the furniture that I was sitting on wet, or even the floor. I mean, if you were sitting on the floor with it. So that was my only complaint, is that they get stuff all wet. So, but other than that, they did work fine. I tried this new Yes To Tea Tree Scalp Relief Soothing Instant No Rinse Shampoo Cap. I got this from a giveaway from Just Nina. I liked it. It was a lot of fun. I'll insert a picture of it right here. Kind of cool looking, huh? It was a dry shampoo mask. It smelled terrible, you guys. Like, I felt like my hair was just stinky for the rest of the day. So I probably would not purchase it, but it was definitely fun to try, and I'm glad that I got it. It did leave kind of a powdery residue in my hair also. You know how sometimes like the dry shampoo sprays can just kind of make your hair feel chalky? It did that as well. So I ended up wearing my hair back in a ponytail and spraying like good smelling moisturizers and stuff in my hair just to prevent it. But it was fun. It was a fun concept, and I'm glad that I tried it. Definitely. Sorry guys, these masks are not working out as well as I thought they would. I don't know if it's because the other mask is so slippery or what, but we're okay. And then last but not least, for face mask, I got this last one at the Dollar Tree as well. Spa April Bath and Shower. It is the Mermaid Face Mask. This one was a lot of fun. I'll enter a picture of it right here. Ta-da! And I did write some notes on this one. It's a very thick mask, which I'm noticing is a running theme with Dollar Tree masks, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. It was shaped a little funny, so it didn't stay on my chin very well. It's almost like it was really wide. So it'd be good if you were like the cartoon character from Hey Arthur and you had a football shaped head, or even Stewie from Family Guy, but I'm not. So it didn't stay on my chin very well. Didn't have much of a smell. It did leave my skin feeling very clean. But other than that, I mean, you know, it's Dollar Tree quality face mask. Not awful. Would I buy it again? Maybe, if I felt like doing the mermaid thing, but As far as skincare quality, probably not. So that's my honest opinion on that one. Next product, I've got some hair care. I got this in my Ipsy Summer Mystery Bag. This is the Saints and Sinners Divine Dry Finish Texture Spray. So cool concept, however, it stinks so bad. It smells awful. It's just not my cup of tea. Other people might like it. It's fine. I'll probably give this to a friend. It definitely did its job, but guys, it's volumizing, and I got curly hair. So I thought I would try it when I straightened my hair. And so I straightened my hair. It was all nice and smooth. Sprayed this at the roots, and then my bangs, of course, and then down the sides. I kid you not, within 20 minutes, my hair was so volumized, I looked like a lion. Lion. How do you say lion in sign language? I used to work with kiddos, and I think it's a lion. I did. I look like a freaking lion. So it definitely does its job. It just stinks, and I don't need volume in my luscious locks. It's already there. So anywho, gonna be giving that one to a friend. Facial products. Y'all saw me use this in one of my Mask Mondays. This is the Now Bay Detox Moisturizer. Loved this. It smelled good. It was nice and thin, yet left my skin feeling nice and moisturized. I believe, if I remember right, though, this was pricey. I got this in a Look Fantastic subscription box, and I don't think that I would ever pay the actual price for it. I'll see if I can find it, and if I can, I will post it right here. So I did like it, though, and I'm glad I got to try it. Next, I've got this Hydropeptide Face Serum. This is one that I got in one of my FabFitFun boxes, I believe. It is anti-wrinkle and restoring serum. I loved this. I think I have a little bit left, but I needed to move on. So it is a nice, thick gold color. Then 5 or 6 drops, morning and evening, and it covers your entire face, your neck, and down here to the décolleté. I never say it right, whatever it is, but yeah. And then I also put it on the backs of my hands, and it was nice and thick, and it was really good to use for the facial rollers to kind of keep things lubricated so you could massage your skin. And then that heart-shaped thing that you use, is it called gua sha or gua shay? I can't remember what they're called. I'll insert a picture of it right here for you. It's really good to use with those because it's so thick. It just makes it glide really smooth. So I did like it for that. However, it was time for me to retire that serum and move on to something else for the month of September. The other serum that I used for the month of August was this Perique Vitamin C Serum. Super moisturizing, guys. I love this, and if I could use this every summer for the rest of my life, I would be a happy girl. I think I do have one more bottle of it. I'm probably going to be putting it in a giveaway, though, because, again, I've got other serums that I have to try. So, but I did like this. Next product was this Neutrogena Rapid Tone Repair Dark Spot Corrector. It was alright. It smelled really good. I put it on my, I've got some hyperpigmentation like above my eyebrows and then on my cheeks and on my lips. And I suppose, I mean, maybe it helped. I didn't notice a huge difference. They're still there, but it smelled good and it was moisturizing. So there's that. Yeah. But I do have lots of other similar type products that I'm looking forward to using for sure. And then last but not least, this is just a something that I got in an Introverts Retreat subscription box. It's called Retinol Face Balm. And it kind of looks like a chapstick for the face. You're supposed to put it on at night and then wash it off in the morning. And I didn't really notice a huge difference with it. But, I don't know, I thought I'd give it a try and glad I got it, but definitely not something that I would buy. I really didn't like the fact that you had to wash it off every morning too, especially on weekends because I don't always get up right away and I don't want to have to wash my face as soon as I jump out of bed. I suppose I could have used my face wipes, but anywho. Alright guys, we're empty. Time to start filling up for September. Let me go ahead and take off this mask and then wash off my face and I will be right back. And I am back with my nice clean face. I did just take one of my face wipes from Ipsy Refreshments and just kind of wiped off my face a little bit. There was a lot of goo on it. It's not sticky. My face definitely feels moisturized. In fact, my nose and my skin here underneath my eyes and my cheeks feels a lot smoother than it did when I put the mask on. So maybe the tightening thing is a true thing. So yeah, I like that mask. Definitely happy with it, and for the price, I think it is something that I would definitely consider buying again if I ever ran out of face mask and had to buy more. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for joining me for my Mask Monday. I hope you all have a fantastic day. I look forward to seeing you next week. Again, if you wouldn't mind doing the whole thumbs up, subscribe thing, share my video, guys. I would love it and truly appreciate it. And until next time, guys, keep smiling. Bye.